Hey, you.
What?
Your shoe's untied.
Oh, why, thank you. I'm not wearing shoes, jerk. You will pay for this.
Attack.
Dodge! Ninja Star!
These look like rocks to me.
Wow! How did you change my Ninja Star into some rocks?
I can make rocks out of everything. See?
That was very impressive.
I could teach you sometime. Epic slow-mo high five.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
Here I come. Yeah. My nose. My leg hurts.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with